PSU Banks, the undisputed champions of the Indian market, 2021 to 2026. Here's the story. Once dismissed as the laggards of the financial sector, India's public sector banks, PSBs, have staged a historic comeback, delivering a staggering 29.8% annual return over the last 5 years. The Indian banking landscape has witnessed a tectonic shift over the last 5 years. According to the latest market data ending August 2026, PSU banks have emerged as the single most profitable sector for investors, moving from 8th place in 2021 to the absolute top of the leaderboard. An investment of Rs 1 lakh in the PSU banking index in August 2021 would have grown to a remarkable Rs 3.68 lakh by today, reflecting a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of nearly 30%. This amazing turnaround is not merely a result of market sentiment but is backed by a fundamental cleaning of balance sheets and a robust revival in credit demand across the nation. The gross non-performing asset (GNPA) ratio for public sector banks has plummeted to a multi-decade low of 1.93% in FY26, a sharp contrast to the double-digit figures seen a decade ago. Efficiency levels have spiked, with a recent Economic Advisory Council (EACPM) paper noting that PSBs have now reached an average technical efficiency of 93.1%, occasionally even outperforming their private sector counterparts. Individual star performers. The rally has been broad-based, but certain names have led the charge with exceptional quarterly results in the current 2026-27 fiscal cycle. Read the full story on flashfinance.news. Educational analysis, not investment advice.